Trainees, you are the top candidates for the Voltes 5 team. You will go through a rigorous training program. Dadaan kayo sa martial arts training, physical agility, gunmanship, and flight training. Wawarningan ko na kayo. You will go through hell. You have to be the best of the best. Walang takot. Walang pagod. Only the best of you will make it to the Alpha team. And only 5 will be chosen to be part of the Voltes team. Are you ready for the drill?
Yes, sir!
Go, Armstrong!
Well, hello there, Little John. Kamusta na yung robot mo?
Sabi ng mga kuya ko, may mas malaki daw na robot dyan sa Camp Big Falcon. Dr. Smith, pwede ko po bang makita yun?
Kailangan ka munang humingi ng permiso sa mama mo. Ayokong awayin ako uli ni Mary Ann.
Hindi po ako papayagan ni Mama. Bawal na nga po ako magpunta dyan, hindi siya kasama eh. It really sucks to be a kid.
Well, I get you, Little John, but always remember, a mother will always be a mother. Kaya siguro masabuti, sundin mo na lang siya.
But I want to be like my father, Dr. Smith. Like my brothers. Gusto ko rin po maging hero like Papa. Di ba sabi mo hero siya?
Well, I know. Kaya nga siguro ganito kahigpit ang mama mo dahil she knows na meron kang dugo na isang hero. Pero Lily John, mas mabuti magpalaki ka muna. And enjoy your childhood. And someday you will get a chance to prove yourself. Someday. All right?
No. Ayoko na maghintay ng matagal. Papa, alam ko, pwede rin po ako maging hero kahit na bata pa ako.
Tuloy-tuloy ang training ng mga bata. So far, so good. Hopefully, kayanin nila yung gagawin nila today.
Kailangan nilang kayanin para matiyak natin kung sino sa kanilang karapat dapat maging part ng Voltes team. But anyway, how are we so sure na battle ready na ang Voltes robot?
Successful naman lahat ng mga test na ginawa natin, pero malalaman lang natin yan pag nakainkwentro ng buzzing niyang robot. Sana hindi tayo mabigo. But, siguro ito na yung perfect time para pakita ko sa'yo. Liga.
Attention to the Chief Medical Officer. Please report to the Medical Bay 1. Engineering crew report 9.
Totoo nga. May voltage robot nga.
Welcome to the final course of your training program.
Wala naman ako nakikita obstacles dito, sir. Ano bang gagawin natin? Magpipiknik?
Kainan? Nako, magaling ako dyan.
Go ahead. La. Signan ko lang kung makatawa pa kayo ngayon. They are your challenge for tonight.
Sila lang. Kayang-kaya. Ay, ang dami pala nila.
Sir, what do you mean, sir?
Your objective is to get through them, make your way up to the hilltop. Those who will not make it will be out of the program. Good luck!
Eva, baka lalayo sa tabi ko Jamie, be safe.
You too, Steve.
Mukhang free for all to,
We're so dead.
Shh, tumahimik ka na lang.
Steve, let's go!